So today we're going to be showing you how to replace the O-rings and the spring in the Rhino's Spinjet replacement seal kit. So I've got a valve here just for today. We've obviously got it out of the rinser. First thing we want to do, remove the spray head. And then we're going to remove the valve. Once that valve's out of the way, you can hold on to the activation pin. And then all of your components will come out. So to give you an idea, the O-rings that we're going to be replacing today, you've got your two O-rings on your spray head valve, you've got your main body valve, we've got your spring, and the actuator pin seal. Best thing to do, I use a pick set. Obviously you want to make sure they're not too sharp. You don't want to be piercing the rubber, otherwise you're going to have to be redoing it all over again. So what we're going to do, we'll remove, I'll make sure that the new spring's in place. We simply pop underneath, remove those two. Once we're putting them back in, straight over. So those two are done. Now to the body, again, just going to remove that. The new one you place straight on. That one's done. The actuator pin seals are a little bit tricky, so you got to get right up underneath. It takes a little bit to get used to. Once you're up underneath there, you'll be able to slide it straight over. So that one's off as well. And replacing I'm going to push that straight back down. You just want to make sure that you give this one a little bit of a jiggle and make sure that it's seated correctly. So now to replace, activation piston, the spring, and then we lock those all together. You can tighten that up. Put your inner valve back onto your main body. You put your actuator plate and your spray head back on, and you're ready to go.